Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use and import Notion templates. So let's begin. So here we are in Notion, and as you can see, this is the template that I will be using in this example. This is what I'll be importing into my workspace in Notion. And if you want to find templates, you can go here into notion.so/templates, and you can find a lot right here that you can use. And the process is really easy right here. So if you're using Notion in browser, then all you have to do is tap on here, right here, and you can click on start with this template, and it will be duplicated into your workspace. Just as easy as that. Or if you're finding Notion templates in external websites, not from notion.so, then it will be like this right here. And what you would need to do in order for you to import this template into your workspace is that all you have to do is click on duplicate right here. Click on duplicate, and once you do, then it would duplicate your habit tracker or your template right here into your workspace right here. So as you can see, we now have this right here in my workspace. So that is all we have to do. And if you are using Notion in an app right here in desktop, then what you need to do is open it will be like this. So all you have to do is first copy the link of your template right here. So for example, right here, so let's go back right here. So let's go back, and you need to copy the link of your Notion template, because you need a Notion template link in order for you to access that Notion template, or in order for you to duplicate that Notion template into your workspace. And after that, you want to go into your Notion right here, and you want to go into, let's just wait for this one to load right here. So you want to go in whatever page right here. So for example, right here, all you have to do is paste that link right here. This is for an app in Notion, okay? If you're using an app in Notion, and you have to click it right here so that you will be prompted right here, and you will then be able to duplicate it if you are using a Notion app. But if you are in a web browser, all you have to do is just paste it right here and just duplicate it right here. And yeah, that is basically how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.